Here we have a worksheet that we'll be using on Excel to create tables and charts today. The first chart I would like to create is a pivot table. The pivot table will consist of building size and sales price of building. Here you would like to move over your sum of building and the average sales price. I will also like to add state in there too. The state will come up over the row labels, and C, you have your average building size by price. Before clicking out a finish your pivot table, you will now move on to click this. You will want the average as you're dealing with prices. And now, here you have your pivot table. Now we have our second thing to do is to create a chart. So now we'll go back to Excel. Now we'll open up a new sheet. Now we'll go back to sheet. I will copy my sales price. Paste it down here. Now I will copy my state.
I see what, okay, so I see what they have, but they said the cosine.
Paste that there. Now I will go to chart. Now we'll go to now I'll select my sales price. Copy it. I'll paste it in the chart. Now you go to select. Select will give you the opportunity to pick your Y values and Y and X values. You see that already as your X values is your sales price. Now I'm sorry, you see that your Y values is already your sales price. Now you want your X values to be your states. Now you copy all your values, put it there. You want to name it sales price. What's the name is sales price BSF and states. And states. Make sure everything is clear. You will now click OK. Once you do that, you will now see that you have sales price and BSF and states at the top. Now go to chart layout. You will have to go to your axis, and you can start with either one that you choose. I'm going to start with my vertical axis. On my vertical axis, I would type in sales price. Now we'll go back to axis. Now I'm on horizontal axis. I will write states. Here you have your chart with the sales price BSF and states. Here we have next is the linear regression. You would like to copy your sales price from your sheet. Sorry, it didn't copy for me. Copy. See, I copied my sales price. Now I have to copy my building size. There I have my building size and my sales price now. Now you see that I have my building size. We'll go to Mark Scatter. You see that the sales price is on there. Now you go to select data. You see that your Y values are in the sales price. Now for your X values, you would want to go to your building size. Now you can see that your graph is looking kind of crazy to see. But we still want to name it sales price. Sorry. Sales price. To building size. Right click. Onto your values down there. You want to change your range to 10,000. Now you have your ranges to 10,000. You would go to the trend line. Type in a linear trend line. Go to options, display equation or chart, and display R value. Now you go back to axis title, so you're able. Oh, wait. My axis. Building. Building size. Go back to axis title. I will label my vertical axis. Make sure everything is right. Everything is looking okay. You see that you have your sales price. You see that you have your building size, your R squared, equation of the line, your legend right here. You are also able to put other trend lines if you want to. I just go into trend line options or picking up the line, linear line, or two period moving average line that you want to use. But as you can see, sorry, I made a mistake. But as you can see, you have a line equation in your R squared. This sums up the extra credit of my 3 parts, or using this data right along here. My name is Japhus Ingram, senior business marketing major from Detroit, Michigan. Sorry about the noise in the background. I apologize. My computer has crashed some in the day. I don't know. It stopped working, and I'm in the library recording this. Thank you, Professor Sistrom, for letting me have the opportunity to show you my extra credit and be a part of your class. I have learned a lot. Thank you, and have a good night. Have an awesome summer. Thank you again.